Hello everyone, welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the monthly reading for the month of August 2021. Okay, related to situationship. That means either it is related to career or relationship. Okay. So yes, sorry for uploading this reading late. Okay. Um, this is the reading for Cancerians. Okay. Let's see. 3 cards for career and 3 cards for relationship. Okay, I'm just trying to make it more comfortable so that you guys can watch it. Three cards for career. Wow. Okay, and 3 cards for relationship. I'm going to shuffle it again. Okay. Okay, so Cancerians, this is the reading for August, as you know. Okay, so I'm just thinking, wait, guys. Okay, so Cancerians, in your career life, there is a wish which has been blocked, a wish fulfillment which is not happening in your career life. Maybe a new project, new career, new relationship, new business opportunity. Okay, there is a wish fulfillment related to a partnership which is not coming. Okay, I feel that if you're thinking to partner up with someone or to do a teamwork, that will be really fruitful for you. A partnership is on the horizon for you in the month of August. Okay, a wish is going to get fulfilled soon. Okay, there's a wish fulfillment which is being blocked. Okay, your manifestation, you are manifesting something which is not coming true in your career life. Okay, and it will take almost within 1 year that particular wish of your career growth, career success, and business growth, business opportunities will be coming through within next 1 year. Okay, and if you are thinking of to partner up with someone, this is the right time to partner up with someone for the long term partnership, for the long term commitments in your career life. That will be really good. You might get a good projects as well in the month of August, or you might be start talk you might going to start talking about the projects with few of the people out there. Okay, and this will be a very good time for you for partnering up with someone, for doing a good collaborations, for doing a good teamwork. This is the right time. For next 6 months, this is the right time to partner up with someone or work in the partnership mode. Okay, in your career life or in your financial life. Okay, that is a really good time. Your wishes are going to get fulfilled within next 1 year in your career life, financial life. Okay, that's what I'm saying. In your relationship, you need to take action related to something. There's a wish which has been blocked, and now you feel that you have set for so long, Cancerians, and now you have to take an action related to your personal life. Okay, to your relationship. Okay, you sometimes feel very weak into a situation. Some things doesn't work out into a situation. There might be someone you are dating or someone you are thinking about, and you feel very weak because you feel that that's a spiritual connection, that's something you are connected energetically to. That might be your twin flame as well. Okay, I also feel that you are thinking of traveling somewhere, relocating, shifting somewhere. Within next 7 months, you are going to do so. You are going, if you are thinking to shift, to relocate, to travel somewhere in your relationship, or taking an action towards your person to whomsoever you are dating or thinking about, you can do so by within next 7 years, or 7 months. And you might think to move in with your partner, like to have a live-in relationship with your partner within next 7 months. So that will be a very good time for you. But yeah, you will be very action oriented when it comes to your personal life, relationship. Okay, you feel now is the time to take action. You just cannot sit and think. There might be few people, Cancerians, out there, who are dealing with emotional or physical separation. Okay, that might be a thing. past life relationship. You have known each other before, so you might be dealing with a karmic person, or you might be dealing with a twin flame connection to whom you have known for the past life. Unrequited love, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. If you are still going on with the existing relationship, there is not much attraction or chemistry left in that relationship. That's the problem. Okay, it's like really cool, amazing, awesome. That's it. Okay, let's see. Healing family issues, Cancerians, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. If you have any karmic relationship with your parents or family members, you need to forgive them, so that there can be enough things to settle in your love life. Okay, forgiveness is important when you are dealing with the karmic connections or karmic people around you, because things will get tougher after that. Religious factors, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and a spiritual path. If something happened in your a separation happened, if issues are going on into your relationship, that means the universe is telling you to change the path from love life to the spiritual path. You need to go with the flow when it comes to your spiritual path, the spiritual awakening. You're changing your path. That's the important thing. Okay, so there is a few of the people who are still on dating. You are going through the dating process. If there are few singles out there, or if there are people who are already dating each other, and if you have a strong connection related to twin flame connection or a soulmate connection, you might level up your relationship to the next level, which is really cool. Guys, let's see what's your life purpose, Cancerians. You are waiting for some sort of a major abundance related to money, relationship. There's a divine goal, divine life purpose from the universe. Okay, you need to spend time with the environment and the nature and the animals as well. Spend time with the nature. That will really help you to heal out. You can become a spiritual teacher as well. You heal with your classes, sessions and seminars. Some of you might be an healer as well. Some of you might be conducting sessions of spirituality. Okay, you are safe and supported while you change your career. If you are thinking to change your career, then that thing is being protected by the guardian angels of yours. Okay, so guardian angels is influencing you to change your career, to change your job, to change some sort of a pattern into a particular career. Okay, so that has been supported by the universe, Cancerians. Okay, if you are into studies, trust me, you can go for a higher level of studies as well. If you are thinking to proceed for PhD, then you can go for reading. Research education helps you to gain confidence, clarity about your career. If you are confused about any career, gain that knowledge first related to your career, because half knowledge is always dangerous. So gain the full knowledge, and then you will gain a lot of clarity related to how to proceed further and how you want to go about it. Okay, so that's for now, Cancerians. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care.